This body-worn camera incident captures a routine traffic stop in the state of Illinois, initiated for an expired vehicle registration. The driver, later identified as Miss Gilbert, remains seated while the officer requests license and insurance documentation. During the interaction, the officer observes what he believes to be cannabis in plain view inside the vehicle. The encounter escalates when the officer orders the driver out of the car, announces an arrest for driving on a suspended license, and physically attempts to remove her while she questions the commands being given.
Go ahead and stay in the vehicle for me. Go ahead and stay in the vehicle for me. This is a traffic stop. Stay in the vehicle.
I'm right here off of Highway 50 and
It's Regency right there.
Huh?
This is CC Food Mart. I think the address is 1011 West Highway 50.
West Highway 50.
Do me a favor and could you go ahead and get off the phone real quick? We'll do our business and then be on your way, ma'am.
I'm listening.
Okay. Do you got your driver's license and insurance on the vehicle?
And my insurance, yeah.
The reason I stopped the vehicle is the registration's almost been expired for about a year now. Were you aware of that?
No, I haven't been aware, but I've been trying to get this mug.
Could you go ahead and hand me that plastic bag that looked like a little bit of weed in there? And your purse, ma'am?
What about it?
Just hand it to me real quick.
Why?
Because I saw it. That gives me probable cause.
Probable cause for what?
We can do this easy way or hard way. I'll work with you if you work with me, okay? Is that all it is? Thank you. You got your driver's license and insurance on the vehicle?
Hold on. You got Highway 50 downstairs?
Yeah.
Tell her the address is 1011 West Highway 50.
1011 West 50.
Can I see your ID real quick? And do you have insurance on it, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an app or anything on your phone by chance? Said no? Do me a favor, whenever you find it, just give me a thumbs up and I'll come and check it out, okay? Find it, Miss Gilbert? Okay, that's been expired for over a year. Do you have anything?
That's the old one, but it's the same thing.
Can you pull up a Geico app on your policy or get policy on your phone or anything?
No, it's through my mom. My mom is on the phone.
See if she could get you a copy of it and send it to you.
I don't, the original copy, the new copy is at home, but you can still run it and it's up to date.
You're supposed to have a valid card on your account.
I don't have a card.
Is your mom looking for a valid one?
Huh?
Is your mother looking for a valid insurance card by chance?
No, my mom send it to me.
Hang tight, I'll be back with you in a sec. Let me know if you find one, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because in the state of Illinois, even though it's legal recreationally, it still has to be an odorless, sealed.
It is odorless.
No, it is not. I saw it though.
You saw it, but you didn't
Yeah, that's called
smell
probable cause. It's still illegal to possess, and if you're going to have it in the state of Illinois, it has to be in the container you get it from in the dispensary. It has to be sealed still and odorless and childproof.
So, I'm not a child. Ain't nobody in it.
It doesn't matter. By state statute, you have to. It has to be in the sealed container.
You just take it?
Yeah, it's being seized at this point.
No, just send it to me.
Well, actually, go ahead and step out for me real quick, okay?
For what?
Just step out and we'll talk out here.
For what?
Because I am allowed to direct you to step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
But what is the purpose?
Because you're going to be placed under arrest for driving on a suspended driver's license.
How?
Your license is suspended. I'll explain that all out of the vehicle. Come on. Come on. Ma'am, step out of the vehicle.
Mom,
Step out of the vehicle. I'm not trying to get you any extra charges. Just step out.
I'm getting arrested for a license suspension.
Ms. Gilbert, step out of the vehicle.
I am.
Come on, let's go.
You don't have to touch me.
Well, then step out.
I am.
Are you trying to get obstruction charges?
No,
then
you
step
just told
out.
me to do something.
Then step out.
You just told me to do something.
Ms. Gilbert,
right?
I am trying to work with you as much as I possibly can.
You just told me to do something, right? He just told me to do something.
You need to
Just step out of the vehicle. Go ahead and set your phones up on top of the vehicle.
You just told me to do something.
Set your phones on top of the vehicle.
Mom.
I'm trying to work with you as much as I possibly can. Ms. Gilbert.
Hold on, I'm fin too.
Relax.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. No, you making it. I'm not, because he putting his hands on me. You just told me to do something. I can't even do it. Let me go. Let me go. You detaining me.
Relax.
You're like,
No.
you're being placed under arrest. You're not being
Because I'm
detained.
saying.
You're being
I can't-
placed under arrest.
Relax. They don't get broke. They don't get broke.
I cannot do that. Look, I will relax if you just.
Don't let go of the phone. Please let go of the phone. You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going nowhere.
You're going in. Relax. Okay. Relax.
That's what I'm talking about. Like,
Relax.
don't worry about it.
You can still talk to her right
No, that's disrespectful. Y'all can't detain me and put
You're
your
not being
hands
detained.
on
You're
me.
being placed under arrest.
But y'all can't put your hands on me. Y'all just told me to do a direct order and y'all telling me to do otherwise, but then y'all put your hands on me. That's not right.
Relax. Relax, okay? Relax.
Bending my finger.
Relax.
Damn, why you bending my finger?
Relax.
Then? Well, tell him to let go of my finger.
You need to relax so we could get the handcuffs
He
on you.
can put the handcuffs on me without you there grabbing my finger like
Miss
that.
Gilbert,
Let
is there
me
anything
go.
else?
Shut my door, please.
Well, everything on you I need to know about? Anything in the
Shut
vehicle?
my door, please, and thank you.
We will put your door now.
Okay.
Is there anything else you need?
Yes, I need my purse.
Don't keep walking towards the car.
Okay, shut my door. Shut my door.
Let's come on.
They not shutting my door. That's what I'm saying.
We're not going to leave your car door open.
Clearly.
It's going to be towed in.
Then why are you grabbing me like
you're
this?
tense.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Miss Gilbert.
Let me go. No, let me
What's in
go.
his pocket?
Cause it hurts.
Relax.
Then let me go. I can't relax if you holding me like this.
Get in the vehicle.
Let me go.
Get in the vehicle.
Okay, let me go. I got it. Damn.
Get in the vehicle.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I don't like police officers. This is exactly why they treat y'all the way they treat y'all.
Because you can't listen to
No, because
instructions.
you're disrespectful. You can't listen
I asked you
to it.
polite numerous times.
No, you didn't. No, you did not. How you gonna tell somebody to do a direct order and you ain't
You tell him I got her in custody?
You're towing us, right?
Oh, yeah. And while she's getting her ID out, she pulls a bag of weed out of her purse.
Oh, smoke.
Yeah, it's in my front seat.
What'd you ask her to do beforehand? And she kept saying you were trying to ask her to do something. Tell her to call somebody?
Step out of the vehicle.
She kept saying you kept asking her to do something. I thought you asked her to call. I thought you asked her to
No.
call somebody or something like that.
Well, at first I was trying to get her to get insurance on the vehicle, and she was waiting on her mom. But she wants to be confrontational from the get. I stop her, she gets out of the vehicle, tries to start walking in. So, whoa, this is a traffic stop. Registration's been expired almost a year.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I stopped her. Insurance cards have been expired for over a year.
Is it suspended for mandatory?
Nope. It's a Missouri plate. She just does it as a suspended out of Missouri. She's suspended out of Missouri. Well, regardless, I got her on adult use cannabis. Huh? 9 months. That's what I'm gonna do. I can still write her on the suspended, can I?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
You can write the plate suspended. She's suspended.
No, the plate's not suspended. It's just
Or,
expired.
I mean, you can write her. You can write her ticket for registration expired. She's suspended. There's a ticket. Your driver in possession of adult use cannabis.
Yeah. She talked herself into all these, man.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know why she's causing a fit.
She knew she wasn't supposed to be driving. She knows she shouldn't be driving. This is a ticket right here from, looks like Shiloh. I don't know.
Is there anything in this purse, Gavin?
No, there's nothing in there. I mean, there's stuff in there, but there's nothing in there.
Okay.
I don't know where this is
It's
though.
like a wallet and it's like some ID, but nothing like.
She didn't want her ID or nothing. She didn't want a wallet. You go back there and ask her.
I'll ask her.
She don't want to talk to me, so I'm not gonna ask nothing. Something split. Should get her for obstruction too, or resisting. I don't want to deal with it. What'd you do with their phones? Huh? Did you hang it up?
Yep. Alright. She said someone's on the way up here to pick up the car, but I told her it's getting towed, so.
Where's your live provider with the address? So it's like she knew she was going. She knew she was going. Try to get somebody up here as soon as possible to the vehicle. You got enough air back there? You want the air on? Okay.
All right, Gavin, you start working on the tow sheet. You got the keys?
They're in the front seat.
From a Fourth Amendment standpoint, the initial stop is lawful. An expired registration provides clear, articulable, reasonable suspicion to initiate a traffic stop. The officer is constitutionally permitted to request license, registration, and proof of insurance, and to run those documents through state databases. That portion of the encounter is clean and procedurally sound. The next legal pivot is the officer's claim of probable cause based on suspected cannabis. Under Illinois law, adult-use cannabis is legal only if it is sealed, odorless, and in approved packaging. The officer states he saw a bag that appeared to be cannabis in plain view. Plain view observation of contraband, if immediately apparent as unlawful, can supply probable cause to seize the item and expand the scope of the stop. However, the Bodycam transcript shows ambiguity. The officer alternates between saying he saw it and asserting it is illegal per se, without clearly establishing whether the container was sealed, labeled, or definitively unlawful. That ambiguity weakens the probable cause foundation for seizure and arrest related to cannabis, though it does not automatically invalidate it. Ordering the driver out of the vehicle is lawful. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, officers may direct drivers to exit during a traffic stop for officer safety without additional justification. The problem here is not the authority to order her out, but the execution and sequencing. The officer issues multiple overlapping commands: step out, set the phone down, stop moving, while simultaneously initiating physical contact. This creates a classic compliance trap. When a subject is given conflicting or rapidly changing commands, courts scrutinize subsequent resistance charges very closely. The announced arrest for driving on a suspended license is a critical issue. If dispatch or records confirmed a valid suspension, custodial arrest is lawful. But the transcript suggests confusion between registration status, insurance status, and a possible out-of-state suspension tied to Missouri. If the suspension was not clearly confirmed before physical force was applied, the arrest justification becomes vulnerable. An arrest based on mistaken or unverified information can still be lawful if the mistake is reasonable, but the record here shows uncertainty rather than clarity. Use of force analysis hinges on objective reasonableness. The officer applies hands-on force while the driver is seated and verbally questioning commands. There is no indication of attempted flight or assault. Finger manipulation and forceful removal may be deemed excessive if a court finds the driver was confused rather than actively resisting. Passive non-compliance, especially when caused by unclear commands, does not automatically justify escalation. The resisting arrest charge is the weakest count. Resistance that arises from confusion, pain compliance, or simultaneous commands is frequently dismissed or reduced. Prosecutors often rely on clean, sequential commands and clear refusal. That is not what this video shows. Bottom line, the stop itself is lawful, and the officer had authority to control the scene. However, probable cause for the cannabis offense is legally thin. The basis for the suspended license arrest appears unclear at the moment force was applied, and the resisting arrest charge is highly vulnerable. This case would likely survive on the registration violation and possibly the license status if properly documented, but it is procedurally weak on escalation, force justification, and add-on charges. A suppression motion and a challenge to the resisting arrest count would have real traction. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.